Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility and making a backup. This protects your data if anything goes wrong. Once done, plug the device into power and join a reliable Wi-Fi network because large downloads can stall on cellular. Make sure you free up the recommended 5 to 10 GB. Low storage causes failures. Then go to Settings, General Software Update, and tap Download. This starts the actual update process. You'll see progress and an estimated time while the package downloads. As the update downloads, stay plugged in and don't force close settings. Interruptions can corrupt the file. Once the download completes, your device verifies the package. That's normal. You'll be prompted for your passcode and to accept terms, provide them to continue. The installer will prepare and restart the device. This can take several minutes. If you run into space or verification errors, offload large apps or connect to a Mac/PC and install via Finder or iTunes to bypass on-device storage. After installation, your device boots to a setup screen. Follow prompts, sign into your Apple ID, and restore any iCloud settings. Make sure Wi-Fi and cellular work, and update third-party apps from the App Store to avoid compatibility issues. Check battery and performance for unusual behavior and toggle settings like Siri or location if needed. If the update fails or the device is stuck, try a normal restart first. If that doesn't help, use recovery mode or a computer restore, which preserves backups and resolves most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.